Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. I have a special little one in my life and she loves music. And of course, the song Old MacDonald is a favorite classic. So this Fisher-Price Little People Speak and Say is just the perfect little toy for kids to be able to practice their animals. What I really like is on one side it has several animals, but then you can flip the page and then they have options of other animals. And it's easy to use. All you have to do is just for them to pull the handle.
Look, there's a lion. Look, there's a lion. Hey, whoa, here we go. Look, there's a lion.
And on the back, they have where you can unscrew here to be able to replace the battery. So it makes it really easy to replace the batteries when you need to. So it's a cute little toy that is easy to use. It's portable, durable. We know that Fisher-Price is always really a good brand, and it's something that they are going to use for a long time. And that is just my point of view.